Hey guys, we're back at the CycleKart workshop working on the club cart. Today we're doing more work on the body. Let's get started. Okay, so this last week Dennis worked on his own and installed some parts back here on the tail section. He made a aluminum plate for the back end, and he made some structures to solidify this thing. It's nice and tight, so now we can work on body panels. He also made this front grille surround. He used the shifter stretcher and notched it a little bit to get this shape. So we're going to be attaching that now to this structure. This entire thing will be removable, so that's the goal. So we're going to start working on some structure pieces to give us places for all the hood pieces and the side panels to go. We're going to make some templates, and we're going to be using the English wheel with the rubber band on here to do some shaping. So this is an exciting project. Let's get started. Okay, so we got these little small panels done. We put a 90-degree bend out on them. Now we're ready to put the side panels on the side of the chassis and the hood sides, and we're ready to make the hood parts. So solid progress.
So what I'm doing here is creating the foundation for the seat back. This will be a piece of aluminum, and then a piece of plywood will attach, and we'll screw in from behind. That piece of plywood will have the foam and fabric on it. So I'm making a little template here so I can get it just right. Now I want to transfer my pattern onto the metal. So I'm using the steel blue layout fluid, and then I have a scribe, and I put it on here and I mark it. But because the bandsaw is limited, I also have to mark it on the back side because of the depth of the throat, so I can cut from both sides. So now I'm ready to take it to the metal cutting bandsaw and cut the part.
We got these rough cut and installed. The side panels, we're going to trim these down a little bit, but this is going to provide the base coat, the base area for everything else. So this is good progress. That's looking pretty good. We're fine tuning this gap here.
Yeah, I
That
need
looks
just
really good.
a hair off. Only take a sec.
Pretty close.
Yep, just a couple of ways to the file.
The body's coming together. We're making steady progress today on build day number 3. Okay, so this is build day number 3. We got the side panels on, we got the body panels on, we got the rear hatch. A lot of work stuff on everything. The front nose Dennis had done on a previous video. The link for that video is in the description. We're on the final stretch of the body work. We just got to put the hood part on it, and this will be ready for the fiberglass part. So this is really, really good results. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Check out Dennis's channel. Make sure you subscribe to both of them. See you next time.